Here's Waffle app shared journal, family, couple, relationships. Number one, shared journal app, create journals, answer questions, share with loved ones. So you see here, be you with your people, stay consistent, export and print journal. Waffle is the number one shared journal app for staying connected and getting to know your partner, family, friends, anyone you care about better. By journaling together on Waffle, you and your journal members will feel seen, heard, and loved. The best shared journal app, stay updated, live updates, Waffle time, Waffle of the day questions, aesthetic journal covers. So this app can help you out if you're a long distance couple, military family staying connected during deployment, looking to make therapy sessions more effective, on a polyamorous or enemy, the relationship fostering bonding, mother and daughter communicate. So all kind of use cases you have in this app. So yeah. And then you can join create journal or join existing. So here you can just tap this journal. So here you can see. So for example, here you see just the onboarding screen in here. Here is the idea. Of course, you can answer these questions much better. I'm just showing you the example. Usually they have this really long onboarding and then you literally need to start a free trial. There is an invitation key. Shares it to invite people to this journal. And then you see 7 days for free and then build yearly at $50. And then you can just sign up with Apple. So here I'm just showing you around. So So then you just have it like that, and then you have free option, and then you can just start journaling, and then you can just write a new note. You can just post it. And then, if you like journaling, this is the app for you. So then, yeah, you can upgrade to Waffle Plus. You can see the account, grid view. And that's just basically what you're having in here. So yeah, that's kind of the app, just a preview for you. If you like journaling, especially with other people, that's kind of the nice app.